My biggest dream is that if I will be a grown-up man, I would like to be a pilot. I like math because if I study well in math and graduate, I will be the bravest pilot in the world.
Kitu ya kwanza, ningetaka wasome wakuenda maisha tofauti na yangu. Wakuwe na life at least itaweza kuwasaidia.
For many parents like Hava, education is the key to moving their children out of poverty and is typically their biggest expense after food. Yet 59 million children in the world are not in school, often because their families can't afford the fees.
Parents, I think, face two challenges in actually sending their kids to school and keeping their kids in school. The first challenge is that their income itself, their income source, often is not stable. The other challenge is when they're hit with an emergency. So even if they had planned and saved and kept money aside, which saying this will go towards my child's education, suddenly there's an emergency and the money is not available anymore.
For low-income families, especially those living in rural areas, there are other obstacles in paying fees.
Most parents have a challenge in paying school fees. The logistical headache of paying it, traveling to the bank or to the school to pay, a long distance, costly, time-consuming.
Digital finance is helping address some of these challenges. For example, some schools and governments now use mobile money as the main payment channel for fees, offering a convenient and cost-effective option for families.
Lakini hiyo ya kulipa kwa bank ni ngumu, heri ya M-Pesa. Juu M-Pesa unalipata ukiwa kwa nyumba, anyway unaweza lipa ukiwa na M-Pesa. Sengine unaweza enda bank ukute line, ama ukienda kwa agent wanakuambia wana hizo float, sasa unaona unasumbuka. Lakini kama uko na M-Pesa ni rahisi, ni easy, unaenda kutu unalipa.
Another benefit of paying through her phone is that Hava can save money in her mobile wallet during the good times, so that when an emergency hits, she can still pay her fees and ensure her children remain in school without being sent home for lack of fees. Some schools allow families to pay in small amounts rather than in full at the beginning of a term, which further helps families meet fee commitments.
They can actually put in money into their pupils' educational account when they have it. So in a sense, it acts like a savings account for them to save towards their child's education.
Digitizing payments alone is a big help. And now mobile technology is also leading to a new generation of financial products delivered through the phone that help families pay for their children's education.
For families that can actually afford what they need to pay for school fees, it's really about smoothing their budgets and helping them with simple tools like savings and credit products.
So CGAP is working with Econet in Zimbabwe, and we're working on a design of a product that helps poor families define a goal, a savings goal to meet school fees. They define a commitment, and then over time they try to meet that commitment by saving small amounts. If they don't manage to meet that amount, but they say they meet 80% of that target, the Econet provides a loan to meet the 20% that is remaining.
Digital finance is also helping families to more easily crowdsource education payments from their social network. Parents set a funding goal and friends and family actively contribute using mobile money until they collectively reach the goal.
We're working right now to test one solution and see whether if we increase some transparency in the social network, we can actually help families more efficiently get some money from their better off brothers and uncles and sisters.
These innovative tools are helping parents to better manage the cost of education and provide their children with consistent access to school. While not a silver bullet, these innovations can help ease the burden for families like Havas.
Sasa nimeamka asubuhi, nikaona wamepata kitu ya kukula na wamevaa na wameenda school, nimefurahi sana. Hivyo ndio mapendo yangu yangekuwa hivyo. Yeah.